Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video I will be taking a look at some of the chassis and the bus body that Bharat Benz is showcasing at Prawaas 2019. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So here we have the first chassis, that is the Bharat Benz 917 chassis. I'll show you the specifications first. So if you want to pause the video, you can pause it. So these are all the specifications of the bus. And now let's take a look at the bus itself. So this is the complete bare bones chassis. This is where the driver sits and all the components you can see here. So basically this is a 170 HP. For this one is actually for 300 to 500 kilometers if you are running. Around that range is this chassis used for. The next chassis that I'll show you is mainly for the longer journeys, for say 1000 to 1200 kilometers. So we'll be taking a look around the the chassis actually. So this is how the engine stays. This is a front engine bus. So you can see the front engine. The engine is supposed to be from Mercedes-Benz, like some of the parts are imported and then it's assembled here. So their plant is here in Chennai. This one doesn't come with a retarder, neither does it come with an air suspension. It comes with a special type of suspension which is somewhat in between air suspension and a normal leaf spring type. So as I spoke to the representatives here, they told me that this is kind of a balance between, like, you get the comfort but the cost is also less. So this is 10-meter chassis. There's the stepney. So this model is already there in the market. Now I'm just showing you the chassis. I'll show you the brochure at the end of the video, so stay tuned if you want to see that. So next this is the 12-meter chassis. I'll go in the front and show you that. So this one is the 235 HP Bharat Benz 12-meter chassis, and I'll show you the specifications are here. So this one is So this one is called the Bharat Benz 1623 chassis. If you want to pause at the specifications, you can do so. So this is the top of the line chassis from Bharat Benz. Comes with air suspension, with retarder option is also available. So the cost of this one is somewhere around 15 lakhs, depending on like what kind of body you build. And this one will cost you around 26 lakhs if you are going with retarded, then it will cost more. If you are going without retarded, then it will cost less, but air suspension is by default. And we can also take a look at how the chassis looks bare bones. So I'm back from the Prawaas 2019 expo, and as I told you that I'll come back to my room and show you the brochures. So time to see the brochures, and before that, mileage is something that lot of you asked me. So this time I didn't forget to ask the sales executive about the mileage that these vehicles get. So what I was told is that both 170 HP as well as 225 HP, that is both 10 meter and 12 meter, both give the same mileage. Okay, so this was something very different, because I thought the lesser power one will give more mileage, but they told me that both of them give the same mileage. Only difference is AC will give a certain mileage, non-AC will give a certain mileage. What will the non-AC give? Non-AC, according to them, no, I'm not sure how correct it is or how close to real life it is, but they told me around 3.75 to 4 you will get, sorry, this is with AC, 3.75 to 4 is with AC. Without AC you will get 4.5 to 4.75. Now the claims, I feel this is a lot higher, because according to my friends who have the Ashok Leyland chassis, they get somewhere around 3, but this one is slightly lot, so not sure how correct it is, but yeah, that was what they told me about the mileage. And now let me show you the brochures. So here we have all the brochures that they gave me, but in this video we will try to concentrate on this. This one is something that I'm really interested in, but it was not showcased at the event. So yeah, this is the brochure they gave me, is of 12 meter 1623 Bharat Benz 12 meter chassis. 10 meter chassis they didn't give me any brochure, so I can't show you that. So this is Bharat 4, a reliable partner that enables profit. Now if you want to read it properly, you can pause the video, but anything important that I have read this thing, so wherever I found anything important, I'll tell you about that. But moving on, so this one is about this fuel economy and all that I already told you before. Gear, okay, so gear I read here that the special thing is that 6-speed gearbox, and it provides best in class input torque. Here it is, you can see aluminum alloy gearbox housing. It ensures better heat dissipation, and grounded gears help avoid pitting of the gear tooth, increasing the overall life of the gearbox. Cable shift mechanism helps in smoother gear shifting. So this is about the gearbox that I found maybe interesting to you. Next thing is about air suspension. So you see the front suspension comprises of 2 air bellows, and the rear suspension comprises of 4 air bellows, each supported by 2 hydraulic shock absorbers on both sides. And this is explaining about that, but in general it has both front and back air suspension. Next thing is about the chassis. So you can again see the chassis has been integrated with alligator type cross member, which provides higher rigidity and strength. So I don't know much about the technical terms, but yeah, it's slightly better maybe. Then here we have the specifications, proposed layout. So if you want without calf support, 43 pushback seats, with calf support 39 pushback seats. Next this is about this their after sales service and all, and 5 years basically, maintenance pack of 5 years. And here is one of the thing that I saw is about the warranty. So they give in 1623 coach, they give 3 years or 4 lakh kilometers warranty, and warranty extension is also available. Alright, so that was all. Here are some of the places like you can contact the dealers. So again, you can pause the video and check out which number you want. Alright, and that was the end, Bharat Benz. So I hope you found this informative, and yeah, that was the brochure. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. It took a lot of effort, time and money to be able to make these videos, so if you appreciate it, please do and comment below and also subscribe. For now, this is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.